Hi friends. Hi friends, I have made a video of ins I have put lot of efforts into this video. So please watch. Please. All is well, Kavya, all is well. I have put lot of efforts into this video, and this is the first time I'm talking in front of the camera, so I'm a bit nervous. I don't know how to start, but I have to. Okay, let's get started. I have been working hard for this video since 3 days. I don't want you to miss out the main topic, so please watch it completely. I don't take too much time. I hardly take 3 to 4 minutes. Please don't skip, watch it completely. So what all the topics I'm presenting now is, first one is responding to hate comments, second one is how I got acne, third one is how did it lead to scars, fourth one is how laser treatment made my skin more sensitive, fifth one is what mistake you should avoid to prevent scars and acne, at last, do natural product really works? If yes, how long can be used? I made a video of ancient Indian cosmetics. Lot of mails I received that do I sell the products? Answer is no. I don't sell products. Right now I have no idea. There are many brands of organic products available in the market. If you wish you can try it. A lot of people have asked me that do organic products really works? I'll come to that. Before that I have to discuss some of the important topics with you. I got many comments for that video, that organic cosmetics video. Either it was encouraging or discouraging, it doesn't matter for me. I take each and every comments positively because I know how much effort I was put into that video. I would like to say my heartfelt thanks to those who have supported my work. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, some of the comments were hurtful and no meaning. Okay, let's check out those comments. Upon seeing the acne on your face, I'm afraid to use those products. Another one. You use natural products. What happened to your face? What? Yes, I have acne. I have scars because I'm human being. If you see my face clearly, see I have acne, scars, blemishes. Right now I have no products on my face, only lipstick. This is lip balm, sorry, not lipstick. This is organic lip balm, which is made from beetroot juice. So before judging someone or something, one thing you have to keep in mind that not only cosmetics causes acne, later scars. There are many other reasons like hormonal imbalances. This also leads to acne, blemishes. One big mistake I've done in my 20s that caused scars in my face. If I wouldn't have neglected that, I would have clear face right now. You don't need to worry about acne, blemishes. It cures when time goes. It won't last, but it leaves worse scars on your face. It lasts forever. In my 20s, my face was crystal clear. My cousins were jealous of my skin. Once I shifted to other cities for my post graduation, I stayed at PG. Water, food, everything has changed. I used to travel for 6 months. Maybe because of dust or hormonal imbalances, I started having acne. I was so busy with the studies, I neglected acne. If I had taken care of it, then I wouldn't have scars on my face now. So guys, use organic products or consult dermatologist if you're having acne. If you neglect, you'll end up with scars, that I'm sure. To reduce scars on my face, I've gone under laser treatment, but I didn't get expected result. Unfortunately, this treatment made my skin even more sensitive that I can't stand in the dust for a few minutes. Forget about makeup. I hardly apply talcum powder when I go outside. Sometimes I don't apply, but I get bumps, rashes easily if I stayed outside for a long time. People who have sensitive skin like me, we know the real struggle. We can't go under sunlight, we can't go for dust. Personally, I can't clean dust in my house without covering my face. If I forget, soon after, itching on my face begins. Even the food habit leads to acne. Personally, chicken, egg, chocolate is not good for my skin. This is the main reason for my acne. I don't eat much. Now, both eggs and chicken contains a high amount of protein, calcium and iron, which is hard to digest and hence increases the temperature of your body. One more thing is pre-period acne. Just before your period date, your hormone level fluctuates. This can result in acne breakouts during your period. Guys, precaution is always better than cure. Let's learn how to prevent acne before it comes out. Drink tender coconut water, or else drink basil seed soaked in the water daily, because it helps to reduce your body heat. Eat more vegetables and fruits. Whenever I follow these method, my face will be acne free. If I don't follow, if I forget, my face will be full of acne. Simple. Even if acne appears, apply turmeric, pure turmeric, not sambar, fake color added turmeric. Don't pop your acne. It can lead to more acne. If acne breaks out, immediately wash your face twice with a face wash. Apply turmeric, leave it overnight. Okay, now let's come to the main topic. Do natural product really works? Yeah, it works, but the thing is, you can't keep it for long. You can't keep it for long time, because natural products crafted without parabens have shelf life. Lip balm made from beetroot juice or rose petals can be refrigerated for 3 to 4 days maximum. After that, it changes its color. If talking about blush or eyeshadow, you can use it for a month hardly. Black eyeshadow or kajal can be stored for a long time because it won't change its color easily, but other colors won't be remain same. I hope I have cleared all your doubts. If you still have doubt, please comment. I'll wash my face and come back soon. So I had acne here and here. It is almost cleared now. I can see it clearly, and this is almost gone. It is not as dark as it looks in the video. I don't know why it looks dark. Actually, it looks light when you see it directly. So guys, I'm satisfied with the result. If you are 100% result, then use it for a week. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.